How do Excel workbooks and worksheets function in spreadsheets? Imagine opening a file that holds all your data in one place, ready for you to organize and analyze. That's what an Excel workbook is. It is the main file that contains all your information. Inside this file, you find one or more worksheets which are like individual pages in a notebook. Each worksheet is a grid made up of rows and columns. The rows go from 1 to thousands, and the columns are labeled with letters from A to Z, then A, AB, and so on. When you create a new Excel file, you are making a new workbook. Usually, it starts with one worksheet named Sheet 1. You can add more worksheets by clicking the plus sign at the bottom of the window. Each worksheet is separate but still part of the same workbook. You can switch between sheets easily by clicking their tabs. This setup helps you keep different types of data in one file but on separate sheets. On each worksheet, you can enter data into individual cells. Cells are the boxes where you put text, numbers, dates, or formulas. For example, you might have a cell with a name, another with a sales number, and another with a date. You can also perform calculations using formulas. For example, adding to numbers or calculating averages. These formulas are written in cells and use references to other cells, even across different worksheets. Worksheets are great for organizing data. You might have one sheet for expenses, another for income, and a third for charts or summaries. You can format cells to make data easier to read, like changing colors or font sizes. You can also protect sheets with passwords to prevent accidental changes. Moving or copying sheets between workbooks is simple, which makes reorganizing your data straightforward. Understanding how workbooks and worksheets work together is key for managing data efficiently. Workbooks hold everything in one file, keeping related data together. Worksheets let you focus on specific details and perform calculations or create visual charts. Navigating between sheets helps you analyze different data sets quickly. This setup makes managing large amounts of information easier and supports tasks like reporting or tracking progress. In short, a workbook is the container that holds all your data, and each worksheet is a separate page within that container. Mastering how they work together helps you stay organized and makes working with data much smoother. Whether you are creating budgets, schedules, or reports, knowing how to use workbooks and worksheets effectively is a big step in becoming proficient with Excel.